Hello, my name is Sam Martino. Welcome to my brief presentation on usability. Feel free to take notes because there's going to be a very short quiz at the end of this presentation. This presentation is also going to help you work on your IMA2 with your group. This is the assignment where you're going to choose a website with your group and you're going to determine its usability. The objective of this presentation is for you to understand some basic facts about website usability and also for you and your group to get a head start on IMA 2 for this course. So, there are 5 basic components of website usability, according to Jacob Nielsen. Now, if these terms sound familiar, it's because you probably already read the required reading titled Usability 101 Introduction to Usability. Number 1, learnability. Is it easy for the users to accomplish basic tasks the very first time they visit the page? Number 2, efficiency. Once users have learned the page, how quickly can they perform different tasks? Number 3, memorability, or how easy can users reestablish proficiency of a page once they leave for a period of time? Number 4, errors. How many errors do users make? How severe are they, and how easily can they recover from the errors once they've committed them? And finally, number 5, satisfaction. How pleasant is it to use the design of the website? These 5 components are going to be the key part of your group project for IMA 2. Usability versus utility. 2 words sound similar, but their meanings are very different. Utility. It's the design or website's functionality. Does it do what the users want it to do? When working on IMA 2, you must understand what the website's objectives are. Usability. Improving the ease of use during the design process of the website. Nielsen took these two words and decided that they have a lot in common when it comes to overall usefulness of a website. For instance, usability plus utility equals overall usefulness and user friendliness of the website. So why is usability important? I'm going to give you 3 reasons. Number 1, if you're using your website for commerce, the last thing you want to do is confuse any potential customers. You typically want them to make a purchase with the fewest clicks as possible. After all, most people are a little sketchy about putting their credit card information online in the first place. The second example, if you happen to run a company, you do not want your employees to be less productive if they're lost and confused on your site. Number 3, if you're an educator, the last thing you want is your students to be spending more time looking for your assignments than actually doing your assignments. A good idea if you are an educator, if you have the privilege to watch your students look for your assignments on your website. The feedback is unbelievable. I've tried it. Companies spend millions of dollars on a design project's usability because they know that it leads to more visitors and a better experience while surfing on the internet. You see, I told you it was short. You should be prepared to answer the 5 questions at the end of this presentation. Just remember that as a group, the first task is for you to select the public instructional website your group is going to be evaluating. If you are not sure if your site is suitable, just send it to me and I'll be glad to take a look at it for you. One of the other very first things you should probably do as a group is decide your responsibilities within the group. For instance, you should have one contact person that Professor Zucker and I should be able to contact if we have any questions. You could also jigsaw or split up the group into different parts. However, this is entirely up to you and your group members. Just remember, I'm only an email or a phone call away. And remember, have fun. Thanks.